Hey, fellow moneymakers. Ever notice the frenzy around animal videos on platforms like YouTube and Instagram? They're all the rage. Now, imagine tapping into this goldmine without worrying about copyright strikes. Intrigued? Well, I've got a game-changing method to share with you today. We're going to dive into the world of Chinese apps, where a treasure trove of captivating videos awaits. But we're not just going to copy and paste. Oh no, we're going to sprinkle some humor, add a dash of creativity, and give these videos a whole new spin before reposting them on Shorts and Reels. And guess what? Since YouTube and Instagram are off-limits in China, the chances of copyright issues are slim to none. But here's where it gets even better. We're going to inject our own scripts and voiceovers, all thanks to the wonders of AI. And the cherry on top? We'll leverage affiliate marketing with products from giants like Amazon and ClickBank. Think dog food, accessories, you name it. So, when your audience starts clicking those links and making purchases, extra income. Anyone? Excited? I know I am. So, let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Dive into the world of Chinese apps. Fire up your browser, search for the Chinese Shorts app, and hit download. Once installed, it's time to scout for content. Look for pages overflowing with adorable animal videos. Copy the links, use a downloader to save them to your Google Drive. Easy peasy. Now, onto the magic of translation. You've got options. Vidor's AI for a quick fix or manual translation for a personal touch. Take your pick and watch those Chinese videos transform into English masterpieces. Next up, voiceovers. Thanks to amazing tools like 11 Labs, you can give your videos a professional touch without breaking a sweat. Choose a voice that resonates with your audience. Generate the audio, and voila! You've just added a whole new dimension to your content. Now, let's bring it all together with some editing finesse. Whip out your favorite editing software, CapCut, Premiere Pro, you name it, and let the creativity flow. Trim, sync, add subtitles, sprinkle some effects. But wait, there's more. Affiliate marketing. Sign up with Amazon or ClickBank, hunt down those irresistible doggy products, and create those all-important affiliate links. Don't forget to sprinkle them in your video description for eager viewers to click and buy. Before we wrap up, a word of wisdom. Content creation is no walk in the park. It takes dedication, creativity, and a sprinkle of magic to stand out in the crowd. But fear not, my friends. With the right tools and mindset, success is within reach. So, if you're ready to embark on this exciting journey of content creation and passive income generation, hit that subscribe button, join our community of like-minded individuals, and let's make some magic happen. And there you have it, your blueprint to creating captivating, copyright-safe content that's sure to dazzle your audience and line your pockets. Happy creating, and may the algorithm be ever in your favor. And now if you want to know how to beat the YouTube algorithm and grow in 2024, watch this video and I will see you there.